What's up, YouTube? Welcome to Bath and Shower Tile Ideas, episode 30. This is the hall bath we're going to start. Immediately after this, we're going to start the master bathroom. Our responsibilities are simple. We're going to install the floor tile, pull this tub, pull this fiberglass surround, install a new cast iron bathtub, new valve. We are going to install tile up to the ceiling. And as you can see, we're working in tight quarters. The vanity is going to stay. This is the area that we have to deal with. But again, remodeling the shower, tiling the floor will take approximately 5 days. So, here we go. Let's roll some clips of the build and then we'll talk about design, layout, material used, and the general build of this bath and shower remodel. Well, that's a wrap. This bathroom is all finalized. We're on the end of day 5. Okay guys, let's start with the floor. Our responsibilities for this bath and shower remodel were simple. Install a new tile floor, install a new bathtub, valve, trim kit, and remodel a shower. So we'll start with the floor quickly. This is travertine with diamond mosaic inlays. So we've got some decorative mosaic in the floor, which matches the decorative stripe in the shower. We just finalized this shower door. Now this is your more classic, traditional style and design with your beiges and your browns. We have porcelain for the field wall tile, 12 by 24 to resemble travertine. We installed it at a 50% offset. As you can see here, starting with the grout line in the middle, 12 by 20 recessed shampoo niche. We have our crackle glass mosaic inlay, 4 inches, that wraps all the way around. That's filled in the back of the niche as well. Installed a new cast iron tub with bronze fixtures. Everything in here is Kohler valve, Kohler tub, and Kohler shower doors. We trimmed everything out with Schluter Jolly, bronze color as well, around the window, as well as around the recessed shampoo niche. Very clean looking niche. Again, filled with the crackle glass behind it. New valve installed. Shower head, tub spout, trim kit. And that is it, guys. This build took 5 days from start to finish. Demo, prep, waterproof, tile installation, tub installation, valve installation, shower doors, and the bathroom floor. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video, Bath and Shower Tile Ideas, episode 30. As usual, don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, comment, and I'll see you on the next one.